Hello everyone, today I will be talking about the major uprisings in World War I. Uprisings are times or protests when people do not like the law or the situation of a country and they are totally against it. In World War I, there was a lot of famine and starvation, so it was expected that many uprisings would come up, and uprisings did come up. So then came the Russian Revolution with Lenin in charge. So there was this time when there was a king called Nicholas and Stolypin which were ruling Russia. So they had a really good economy. But Stolypin massacred millions which were against this. But it was still good. So then Nicholas was in charge of the army while leaving his German wife in charge. It was not a good look. So then he had to abdicate or quit being king, and then the provisional government came. But the provisional government lasted only 9 months, and those 9 months were nothing short of chaos. Lenin ordered to kill all the provisional government during the civil war and also massacred Nicholas II. The Bolsheviks won the civil war, and so they came up with the slogan peace, land, and bread. They stopped fighting the Germans, which gave them peace and officially knocked them out of the war. France, Britain, and Germany had the same problems. Continuous strikes for France and for Germany. But Germany was starving. Remember the naval blockage? But France was brutally suppressing all its people, but Germany could not. While American and Britain women's wanted peace. There were many people known as pacifists who never joined the war because they thought it was wrong. The Arab revolt oversaw when Arabian countries like Oman, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, and UAE, Kuwait, and Qatar got independence from the Turks or the Ottomans, which immediately led to Turkey getting weaker and at the end of the war lost. You see, Arabia has oil, and oil is needed for tanks, and tanks is needed for victory.